Today's lesson will be on subtraction rules for integers. Subtraction rules for integers. This will begin on page 10 in your iBook notes. First, you have to rewrite the problem. Underline this. This is important. Put an asterisk next to it. Then, step 1. Copy first number. And we'll use the hashtag symbol as a number symbol. Next, step 2. You will change your subtraction sign to an addition sign. Step 3. In step 3, you're going to change the sign of the second number. I'm going to do hashtag symbol as a number symbol again for notes, nice and short and sweet. And then step 4, you will follow the addition rules we have already been practicing. Step 4, follow addition rules. Now, let's write down some examples of what this might look like. Okay? Let's start with 5 minus 7. Well, if we follow the rules at the top for changing subtraction to addition, I'm going to make 5 a 5 again because the first step is copy the first number. That's what I see. Next, I'm going to change that subtraction sign to an addition sign, okay? So I'm going to change this to plus. Then it says change sign of the second number. Right now 7 is positive. I'm going to make it negative. And then I write my 7. Okay? Well, if I follow the rules of addition, and I look at these two numbers, one is positive and one is negative. The rules for addition are, if the signs are different, I subtract, take the sign of the number farther from 0. In that case, 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 is farther from 0 than 5 and it's negative, so the final answer is negative 2. Now we're going to use these same digits, but with different values of positive or negative. Let's write this again as negative 5 minus negative 7. Now you don't have to put these in parentheses, but it helps you to differentiate between the subtraction sign and the negative next to it. It's just easier to look at. Equals. Okay. Following the rules. Step 1, we've copied the first number again, so I rewrite negative 5. I change this subtraction sign to an addition sign. And then 7 was negative, and 7 now becomes positive. I follow the rules of addition again from what we studied last week and what you took notes on. So if the signs are different, you subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 is farther from 0 than 5 and 7 is positive. The answer is positive 2. Now let's rewrite these again with different values. So I'm going to rewrite this time a negative 5, subtract 7. Negative 5 subtract 7 equals, okay? Going back to step 1, I rewrite negative 5. Change this subtraction sign to addition. So instead of subtracting 7, it's adding 7. And then 7 was positive, I'm going to make it negative 7. So now the rules of addition are, if the signs are the same, I add and take the sign. Well, 5 plus 7 is 12. Both signs are negative, I take the sign. So the answer is negative 12. Final problem on examples. I'm going to rewrite this with making 5 now positive minus a negative 7. Rules again mean I rewrite the first number as it is, 5. Change subtraction sign to addition, so that becomes plus. Change sign of second number, so instead of a negative 7 it becomes a positive 7, equals. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. Both of them are positive. You add, you take the sign, it's a positive 12. I always like to look at it saying minus. A minus actually means a plus. Just an easy way to remember it when you think about that terminology. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put that little memo right here in parentheses. Minus a minus equals a positive or addition problem. Just a little reminder, just when you see a minus, a negative. Now, students, we're going to be doing some practice in class. Be sure to pay good attention.